Hey guys, it's Kevin here from Penny's Hot Rods and Customs. Just giving you a little update what's been going on here for the past couple days. Um, Delivered some vehicles around, one to the scrapyard, my little Honda car. Kind of screwed that up. Picked up another Ford F100, and also we delivered my Falcon Ranchero to my place out here, and it needs a good cleaning. So I'll just go and get the pressure washer started, and we'll go from there. But it needs a pretty good cleaning. It's dusty as all can be. And then after that, tackling the mouse poop. There's no shortage of it. They kind of had all at it, so I'll keep you posted. Okay guys, here's the Falcon sitting at the end of my driveway here. As you can see, it's pretty dusty. And here's the interior. It's seen better days, but we'll get it all cleaned up. Key is just patience and be safe about it. And also Brian, Bald Brian, was nice enough, the person I bought the car from was nice enough to get me these nice set of aluminum slots here. And while we're at it, here's the pressure washer I'm going to be using. It's been a pretty good unit. So, but while I got you guys here, I'll show you the other F100 we just picked up the other day. There she be. It's nice 51 F100. As complete as can be. Oh. There's even floor shift on it, so that's pretty cool. I kind of regret not picking this truck to do as opposed to my one, but oh well. Chris will have a nice truck when it's all said and done. And also realized I even have a Model T back here. So actually this thing's solid as can be as well. So, okay, well, it's pressure washing time. I'll see you soon. Well guys, it's pretty much an evening for me. I finished giving it a crappy wash there at the pressure washer. I'm probably one of the worst cleaners there are. So I also pulled the seats out. They're probably just going to go to the scrap yard, but I don't know if I'm going to go for bench or buckets, but time will tell. But I'll keep you posted, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Hey guys, it's Kevin here again. It's been a couple days since I've worked on the little Ranchero, but so this is where I'm at today. I'm gonna rip this headliner out because it's pretty bad and soiled, and then after that I'm gonna bring the shop back out and start cleaning up all the droppings and loose debris and whatnot. Other than that, it's somewhat, you know, pretty clean in here. But we'll start doing that, and we'll keep you posted. See you soon. Well, here goes nothing. Looks not too bad. I thought the roof would have a lot of rust in it, but no, it's overall pretty good. So I'm gonna get this trim off, and we'll go from there. Good thing I got my Princess Auto gloves on. Okay guys, I got the headliner taken out. That was a big mess. Now it's time to get the vacuum going. I got the shop back here, and it's carpets and the floor is all pretty much destroyed, so I'm just gonna give it a quick cleaning before I take it out so I don't make a further mess around here. And here it goes. See you soon. Bam. Well guys, I've got the rest of all the interior of the headliner ripped out, and the carpet. Gave it just a quick vacuuming job here. It appears that it's had some floor work on it in this past, so I do believe we're going to address it when it comes time, but it's not going to be anytime soon. It's pretty much, this is going to be a winter project. So, but yeah, so far I'm still pretty darn happy with the car. So again, it's I've got so much stinking F100 sheet metal I gotta start cleaning up, get it ready for Derek and Chris. So that comes first, then this has got to come in. So keep you posted. Well guys, I'm gonna call this a day for working on the little Ranchero here. So again, it's this is gonna be put on the side burner for a while. Like I said, we got some F100 stuff to do. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy this video. Nothing is really exciting about it, but it's a job that had to get done. It was pretty dirty. So if you like what you see, please like, share, subscribe, tell your friends, your neighbors, co-workers, whoever. But yeah, it'll be fun working on this. I'll see you guys later. Bang gears. Ba, 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 ba.